Welcome to English class. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well at your residence. I am also well by the grace of the Almighty. I am Uday Prakash Kundu, Assistant Teacher, Joshore Jela School, Joshore. I am welcoming you to online class arranged by Joshore Jela School for the benefits of you. I would like to offer my thanks to the authority who have arranged this class. Since our school is closed for a long time due to COVID-19, you will be benefited by enjoying this online class. COVID-19 is a serious contagious disease by most of the countries of the world are affected by it. Every day we are losing thousands of people and many more are contaminated by COVID-19. I pray for their departed souls and pray for the contaminated people that they come round very soon. I express my gratitude to the Almighty Creator as I am getting an opportunity to take your class. Now, I will focus on the topic that I will discuss you today. Today, I will discuss with you about the right forms of verbs. Dear students, if there is a word among always, regularly, daily, sometimes, often, every day, normally, occasionally, usually, generally in a sentence in which there is no mention of time, the sentence will be transformed into present indefinite tense. অর্থাৎ কোনো সময়ের উল্লেখ থাকে না এমন বাক্যে যদি অলওয়েজ, রেগুলারলি, ডেইলি, সামটাইমস, অফেন, এভরিডে, নর্মালি, অকেশনালি, ইউজুয়ালি, জেনারেলি থাকে তাহলে ওই বাক্যটিকে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সে রূপান্তরিত করতে হয়। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, ফর এক্সাম্পল, when you get up in the morning usually, as it is an interrogative sentence, we have to follow the structure of interrogative sentence. Now, we will look the answer of this sentence. When do you get up in the morning usually? Dear students, in this sentence usually is used. So, for this reason we have to make this sentence into present indefinite tense. In the same way, I will tell you another example. He often come here. He often come here. Now, the correct form of this sentence is he often comes here. He often comes here. another example, we sometimes visit to our village home. It is also a present indefinite tense. So, the correct form of the verb is we sometimes visit to our village. Now, we will go another slide. If there is now or at this moment or at this time or at present in a sentence, the sentence will be present continuous tense. অর্থাৎ কোনো সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে যদি নাও অথবা at this moment অথবা at this time অথবা at present থাকে তাহলে ওই বাক্যটিকে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে রূপান্তরিত করতে হবে। Now we will find an example. We enjoy online class now. So, here now is used. So, we will make this sentence into present continuous tense. We are enjoying online class students. Dear students, I will tell another examples. We watch the news of TV at this moment. At this moment is used in this sentence. So, we will have to make this sentence into present continuous tense. We are watching the news of TV at this moment. Now, dear students, we will go another slide and we will look another rule. If there is a word among just now, recently, lately, yet, ever, already, immediately in a sentence, the sentence will be present perfect tense. অর্থাৎ কোনো সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে যদি জাস্ট নাও, রিসেন্টলি, লেটলি, ইয়েট, এভার, অলরেডি, ইমিডিয়েটলি থাকে তাহলে ওই বাক্যটিকে আমাদেরকে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে রূপান্তরিত করতে হবে। লুক ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, ফর ইনস্ট্যান্স দে নট চুজ দেয়ার ক্যারিয়ার yet. Yet is used in this sentence. So, we will make this sentence into present perfect tense. Answer of this sentence is they have not chosen their career yet. We will have to use past participle form of the verb in the present perfect tense or past perfect tense or future perfect tense. In all perfect tense, we will have to use the verb as a past participle form. Dear students, I will tell another example depending on this rule. I just received your letter. Just is used in this sentence. So, I will have to make this sentence into present perfect tense. I have just received your letter. Now, dear students, we will go another slide and another rule. If there is mention of time after since and for in a sentence, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. অর্থাৎ since এবং for এর পরে যদি সময়ের উল্লেখ থাকে তাহলে ওই বাক্যটিকে আমাদেরকে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে রূপান্তরিত করতে হয়। নাও উই লুক অ্যান এক্সাম্পল। উই রিড ফর অ্যান আওয়ার। ফর is used and time is used after for. So, we will make this sentence into present perfect continuous tense. Dear students, look the answer of this sentence. We have been reading for an hour. I will tell another examples of this rule. He suffered from fever since Monday last. Since is used in this sentence and Monday is used after this since. So, we will make this sentence into present perfect continuous tense. Correct answer, he has been suffering from fever since Monday last. Dear students, now we will go another rule and another slide. If there is a word among yesterday, ago, long since, last night, last week, last month, last year in a sentence, the sentence will be past indefinite tense. অর্থাৎ অতীত নির্দেশক শব্দ যেমন yesterday, ago, long since, last night, last week, last month, last year যদি কোনো বাক্যের ভেতরে থাকে তাহলে আমাদেরকে ওই বাক্যটিকে past indefinite tense এ রূপান্তরিত করতে হবে. Dear students, it is a very important item for you. Right form of verb is related with the all items of grammar, all items of free handwriting. So, I will suggest you to look this, to enjoy this class very mindfully. Dear students, now we will look an example. For instance, he leave home last night. Dear students, last night is used here. So, we have to make this sentence into past indefinite tense. Now, the answer of this sentence is he left home last night. So, it is a past indefinite tense. I will tell you another example depending on this rule. She buy a car last night. The answer of this sentence is she bought a car last night. Now, we will go another rule. Dear students, it is a very important rule and this rule is very important for your completing sentence. So, I will suggest you to look this, to observe this rule very attentively. If since is used as a conjunction in a sentence and the first part of the sentence is present indefinite tense or present perfect tense, the second part of the sentence will be past indefinite tense. Again, the first part of the sentence is past indefinite tense, the second part of the sentence will be past perfect tense. অর্থাৎ since যদি বাক্যে কনজাংশন হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয় এবং এর প্রথম অংশ যদি প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স অথবা প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হয় তাহলে পরের অংশ পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হবে। আবার প্রথম অংশ যদি পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হয় তাহলে পরের অংশ পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হবে। নাও উইল লুক an example. It is 10 years since I meet you. Since is used as a conjunction in this sentence and it is 10 years is a present indefinite tense. So, we will make the second part of the sentence as a past indefinite tense. Now, look the answer. It is 10 years since I met you. Now, I will tell another two examples. Dear students, 3 years have passed since he leave his home. 3 years have passed is a present perfect tense. So, we will also make the second part of the sentence as past indefinite tense. The answer, 3 years have passed since he left his home. Another example, it was many years since I come to Jashore. It was many years, it is a past indefinite tense. So, we will make the second part of the sentence as a past perfect tense. The answer, it was many years since I had come to Jashore. Dear students, it is a very important rule. It is very necessary for your completing sentence. Now, we will go another slide. Rule 7. If there are two verbs in a simple sentence, we will have to add ing with the second verb. But if there is the mention of purpose in the sentence, we will have to use to before the second verb. অর্থাৎ একটি সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সে যদি দুইটি ভার্ব থাকে তাহলে দ্বিতীয় ভার্বের সাথে আমাদের আইএনজি যোগ করতে হবে। আবার যদি ওই বাক্যে উদ্দেশ্য অর্থটা প্রাধান্য হয়, উদ্দেশ্য অর্থ থাকে, তাহলে আমাদের দ্বিতীয় ভার্বের আগে টু বসাতে হয় এবং সেক্ষেত্রে ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম হয়। নাও লুক এক্সাম্পল, I answered, thank her. It is a simple sentence. A simple sentence contains a subject, a verb and an object. So, if there are two verbs in a simple sentence, we will add ing with the second verb of the sentence. So, the first verb is answered and the second verb is thank. So, the answer, we will add ing with the verb thank. And the second example is, I do not want leave this place for its beauty. এই বাক্যর মধ্যে উদ্দেশ্য অর্থ আছে। যদি আমরা বলি কি উদ্দেশ্যে তুমি জায়গাটি ছেড়ে যেতে চাও না, কারণ জায়গাটি অনেক সুন্দর, তো দ্বিতীয় বাক্যের ভেতরে উদ্দেশ্য অর্থ আছে। নাও উইল লুক দ্য আনসার অফ দিস টু সেন্টেন্স। I answered thanking her, and the answer of the second sentence is, I do not want to leave this place for its beauty. আমরা দ্বিতীয় উদাহরণে ভার্বের আগে টু বসিয়েছি কারণ দ্বিতীয় বাক্যের মধ্যে উদ্দেশ্য আছে, আর প্রথম বাক্যে সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সে দুইটা ভার্ব আছে, সেই কারণে আমরা দ্বিতীয় ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি যোগ করেছি। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, in your academic life, when you will find this kind of situation, this kind of rule, you will apply this rule. Now, we will go another slide, dear students. Rule number 8. If no sooner had dash dash then, or hardly had dash dash when, or scarcely had dash dash when is used in a sentence, the first part of the sentence must be past perfect tense and the second part of the sentence will be past indefinite tense. It is an important rule not only for right form of verb but also completing and also important for your transformation sentence. So, you will find this, you will hear this rule very attentively. Dear students, now we will look an example. No sooner had we reached the school than the bell ring. আমরা সূত্রে পড়েছি no sooner had dash dash then, hardly had dash dash when, scarcely had dash dash when যদি কোনো বাক্যে ব্যবহৃত হয় তাহলে এর প্রথম অংশের বাক্যটিকে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স করতে হবে এবং দ্বিতীয় অংশের বাক্যটিকে পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স করতে হবে। তো আমরা এখন পরিবর্তন করব আমাদের উত্তরে। নো সুনার হ্যাড পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স ব্যবহার তৈরি করতে হলে আমাদেরকে অক্সিলারি ভার্ব হিসাবে হ্যাড ব্যবহার করতে হয়, যদিও হ্যাড নো সুনার হ্যাড, হার্ডলি হ্যাড, স্কার্সলি হ্যাডের সাথেই থাকে। আর আমরা পূর্বের ক্লাসেই জেনেছি যে হ্যাড থাকলে আমাদের মূল ভার্বের পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল ফর্ম করতে হয়। So now we will look the answer of this sentence. No sooner had we reached the school than the bell rang. Now I will tell another two examples. Hardly had he see me when he leave the place. The answer of this sentence is hardly had he seen me when he left the place. Another example, scarcely had we start for our school when the rain begin. The answer of this sentence is scarcely had we started for our school when the rain began. So it is a very important rule, dear students. Now we will go another slide or rule. Dear students, if had better or had rather, would better or would rather, or lead or must or need or dare is used in a sentence, the verb after it will be present form, and if there is to before the verb, to will be omitted. অর্থাৎ কোনো বাক্যের মধ্যে যদি had better অথবা had rather অথবা would better অথবা would rather অথবা lead অথবা must অথবা need অথবা dare ব্যবহৃত হয়, তাহলে ওই বাক্যের ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম হয় এবং উল্লেখ্য ওই ভার্বের আগে যদি টু থাকে তাহলে ওই টু বাদ যাবে। নাও উই উইল লুক অ্যান এক্সাম্পল। You had better to do the work. Had better is used in this sentence. So according to the rule, we use only the verb do and to will be omitted. You had better do the work. Now I will tell another example according to this rule. I would rather to die than beg. The answer of this sentence is I would rather die than beg. To will be omitted and the verb is present form. So dear students, I think you will be benefited if you enjoy this class attentively. Now we will go another rule, dear students. If would that is used at the beginning of a sentence, could is used after the subject and the verb will be present form. অর্থাৎ কোনো বাক্যের শুরুতে যদি would that ব্যবহৃত হয় তাহলে সাবজেক্টের পরে could ব্যবহৃত হয় এবং ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম হয়। নাও লুক অ্যান এক্সাম্পল। Would that we go to school? Would is used at the beginning of the sentence. So we will use could after the subject and we will use the present form of the verb. Now look the answer of this example. Would that we could go to school? I will tell another example depending on this rule. Would that I be a poet? Answer of this sentence is would that I could be a poet. Dear students, it is also an important rule. it is also used in your completing sentence. Now we will go another rules. Dear students, if having or to be or being or get, got is used in a sentence, the verb after it will be past participle form. অর্থাৎ কোনো বাক্যে যদি হ্যাভিং অথবা টু বি অথবা বিং অথবা গেট অথবা গট ব্যবহৃত হয় এবং তারপরে যদি আবারও ভার্ব লিখতে হয় তাহলে উক্ত ভার্বের past participle form ব্যবহার করতে হয়। Now we will look this rule into a sentence. An example: the Sinasar ran away having take the purse. Having is used in this sentence, so we will have to use the past participle form of the verb take. So look the answer of this example. The Sinasar ran away having taken the purse. Now I will tell another two examples on this rule. The homework is to be prepared, P-R-E-P-A-R-E. The correct form of the verb in this sentence is prepared, because to be is used before the verb. So the correct answer of this sentence is the homework is to be prepared. Another example is today many multi-storied buildings are being built, B-U-I-L-D, built in Jashore city. So being is used in this sentence. Now we will have to use the past participle form of the verb build, and that is built, B-U-I-L-T. So the correct answer of this sentence is today many multi-storied buildings are being built in Jashore city. Dear students, I have already discussed 11 rules. Now dear students, today I have already discussed 11 rules. Now I will show you a text. Look, evaluation. You will complete the text using right forms of verbs given in the box: show, involve, contribute, flee, have, achieve, kill, be, take, come. These are the verbs, and now you will look the text. Today we dash a free nation. We dash to take great pains to gain independence. Our war of liberation dash place in 1971. People from all walks of life dash forward and got dash in the war directly. Many a man dash in the battlefields. They dash from the battlefields dash their back. Rather all of them dash march to dash independence. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, এই প্যাসেজটি অতীতকালের 1971 সালের ঘটনা নিয়ে। তো এর প্রথম বাক্যটি প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স, আর টোটাল প্যাসেজটি পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সের আলোচনা। নাও উইল কমপ্লিট দিস টেক্সট ইউজিং দি ভার্ব গিভেন ইন দি বক্স। টুডে উই আর এ ফ্রি নেশন, উই হ্যাড টু take great pains to gain independence. Our war of liberation took place in 1971. People from all walks of life came forward and got involved in the war directly. Many a man was killed in the battlefields. They did not flee from the battlefields showing their back, rather all of them contributed much to achieve independence. So, we have complete this passage using the right forms of the verb. Dear students, now we will go another slide, and this is homework. You will write at least 2 sentences against this rule. Now, I would like to advise you to stay at your home and follow the rules of health, as we are passing a very crucial moment. Thank you, dear students. See you in another class. Till then, may Allah bless you. Okay.